Horns up, guys, and welcome to my regular Monday check-in vlog where I generally update you about my weight loss on keto. However, today's vlog is a little different. So last week I developed a rather bad rash on my leg, and I presumed it was a sweat rash because of all the exercising that I've been doing and the general Bombay heat. And it didn't really. I mean, I put some ointments and creams for that kind of stuff, and it had no effect. So I visited my doctor, who gave me some medication and some creams, and that also wasn't really helping. And I I was not sure whether this rash had anything to do with keto, and Dipti did a lot of research about it, and um, we felt it was best that I went off keto for a few days to see if there's any change in it. So I basically went off keto again. Well, like this time, of course, I didn't go off keto with the purpose to travel and eat lots of food. So while I did eat carbs and fruits and things like that, I didn't really go crazy and order like a 50-inch pizza and stuff my face or anything. So I weighed myself this morning. I was about 71 kilos. So there's no real weight gain as such, and there's no real weight loss either. I was 70 kilos last weigh in, I think, and basically 1 kilo of water weight has probably come back from eating the carbs. The good news though is that the rash is getting better, so that's sorted out. But I'm still not sure if I'm going to return to keto right now, because if it is keto related, as many of you know, certain diseases are they sort of function better on keto, and some don't really work so well on keto. So, for example, last year when I got shingles actually would have, if I had been on keto, I would have taken a lot more time to recover, whereas I recovered super quickly. Like, I had gone off keto for 2 weeks, and my shingles, like, it really just literally in 2 weeks it was gone. And I remember people telling me horror stories of their shingle experiences. So so I don't want to take a chance, and honestly, I can keep myself in check that I'm not going to gain the major amount of weight back in like a week or even less of eating not keto food. So um, I don't know if it makes sense for me to vlog anymore in terms of this Monday update that I do. So I was anyway planning to only continue it till next Monday. So maybe I will do one follow-up vlog next Monday, and then I think I'm going to put this particular vlog series to rest. I'm sure I'll find some other entertaining videos that I can make for you. As always, your feedback, suggestions are welcome. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see me do on the channel. But for me, I think the next 2 months I want to focus on getting you guys some more keto recipes. I'm even thinking of switching up the days to doing recipe videos on Mondays and Thursdays. So every week you'll get two new recipe videos, and let me know what you guys think, because honestly, I do take all your feedback very seriously. I read every single comment you leave me, and I try and answer most of the queries that I get in the comments as well. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to update you guys about. I'm off keto. I haven't really gained any weight back. I'm hoping my rash goes away this week because it's really annoying. I mean, it's not a crippling illness or anything, but it's just and it's a pretty big patch. Like, my entire thigh is covered. So I don't remember exactly what rash it is, but when I visit my doctor today, I'll ask again. And yeah, hopefully I should be sorted out this week and I can get back to regular programming. Anyway, enough jibber jabber from me. Thank you all for tuning in. I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. By the way, speaking of which, I'm doing a collaboration with Barbecue and Bottles. It's a gentleman named Jared. Now, if you've never heard of them, they are an awesome Instagram account that do barbecue videos and pictures and things like that. And Jared has also started a YouTube channel where he shows you how to do some amazing barbecue recipes. So I'm going to link his channel up here. in the on the I button, and you can check out his channel. And we're dropping a collaboration video on Saturday, I think. So yeah, all the details coming soon. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. I'm really off now. Cheers and keep ketoing. Even though I'm not, but still, you can still be keto. Cheers, guys. See you.